this quad, it's time for Sounds of the Strip. Ready to watch them all leave. And then a lot of smoke. John Forrest gets down with a 465 with a 1. But in that particular run, not one of them made any improvement whatsoever on their position. Good news for Robert Hight because he sits number 1. Capps remains number 2, and Jack Beckman is number 3.
It was good news for John Forrest, even though he didn't get down the racetrack. He backpedaled. Watch it in lane number 2 right there. Does a good job of getting the car to recover. That could definitely pay off in eliminations.
Yeah, he certainly learned something there. John Forrest was in the second lane.
And I like that. I know a lot of crew chiefs don't like their driver, especially when you're already in the show, to go out there and backpedal. Cruz did the same thing. He backpedaled his early and then smoked again down track, and he knew at that point might as well just get out of it. But back to my point of not backpedaling and qualifying when you've already made a good pass.